I see binomial theorem. You guys see that? I spelt it wrong. No, wait, did I? No, that doesn't look right. It is right. Okay, shut up. All right. So, when you guys are doing binomial theorem, there's three parts to it. There's the Pascal number, or you guys use a combination. There's the first term in the binomial, and there's a second term in the binomial. Okay? So I'm going to say first, this is second, and this is the Pascal number. The Pasc number. Okay, so how do you do such things? Like if we were working on D, it says find the third and the fourth term. Let's find the third term, okay? Okay, so we have that guy, that guy, that guy, that guy. All right, the first and then the second. This is like a no duh, okay? Now we need a third term. So if we do the third term, that means this first, okay. If you guys look at this first term, right, or the second term right here, if you guys are looking at all the terms for letter D, do you guys know how many terms letter D would have? If we actually expanded this, do you guys know how many it would have? It would have 5. Good job. Okay, there's always one more than the n, and the n is 4. Okay, the second term in the first term, the second term in our binomial, the first term in our expansion would have a power of 0. This would have a power of 1. This would have a power of 3 or 2. I skipped one. Okay, so if this is the third term, what power does this guy have? He has a power of 2. So we got to put a 2 right here. And then over here we go 4, choose 2. And then what would this power be right here? It would also be 2. Why would it be 2? Because these two powers should add up to 4. Everybody down? Okay, now you have to finish it. That would be the third term. What would the fourth term look like? This would be a 3, and what would this power be? A 1, and this would say 4, choose 3. It always matches the second term. Okay, so now let's actually do this one. Now this is the same as saying 4, choose 3, which is the same as saying 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay, so if I simplify that, this would just be a 1, which is insignificant because when you divide by 1, it doesn't do anything. And then 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, do you guys know what that is? I can expand the top to be 4 times 3 factorial. The 3 factorials will cancel out, so it's just a 4. So this equals 4 times, what's this one going to be? Oh, just a 2x. And then I go times, what's this one going to be? Y to the 6th power. So my final answer would be 8x y to the 6. That is the fourth term for this expansion. Wait, the answer say what? The answer in the back is wrong then. That answer is dumb. Does it say the fourth term is something else besides this? All right, I hope that helped.